All right, next up we've got another talk by the ONLYOFFICE team. Alex Miheev, Head of Technical Support, and Vlad Bakhtyurin, Marketing Manager, on using AI-powered tools to transform document workflows.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. We appreciate that you came here to listen to our session. In this session, we will speak about AI and its combination with Office software and the possibility how you can boost handling Office documents using artificial intelligence with ONLYOFFICE. After a thorough review, a key insight has emerged from a feedback encountered by ONLYOFFICE. It turned out that whenever you use artificial intelligence in different industries of business like research, medicine, finance, marketing, sales, HR, etc., it's still connected to documents. And let me give you the first example. It is a research project for screening and early diagnosis of diseases, which results in a text document where a specialist from the medical field should collaborate and communicate based on the processed data. Another example is spreadsheets. Sorry for that formatting. An application which needs to automate RFP responses have to deal with XLSX spreadsheets. Also, if you want to generate educational content from presentation, the application should be able to create and edit PPTX files. And fillable PDF forms is a really valuable tool when you want to conduct large-scale researches and process data and answers from thousands of participants. And of course, vice versa. When you use documents and when you handle documents, you can boost these processes using artificial intelligence. The result is, what we can say is that Office software and artificial intelligence makes a really good combination, giving you countless possibilities to improve and make your work with documents much faster. In ONLYOFFICE, you can implement artificial intelligence, bearing in mind key aspects such as security, functionality, flexibility, and usability. It stopped working. A couple of words about security, and we got a lot of questions about security concerns in ONLYOFFICE when you use artificial intelligence, and we want you to know that artificial intelligence is switched off by default in ONLYOFFICE, so it means that no third-party solutions, platforms use your data or track you down somehow. If you want to use artificial intelligence in ONLYOFFICE, first you should activate this feature and therefore give your consent. Flexibility is another benefit of AI in ONLYOFFICE. You can use pretty much any AI model from a lot of providers. These are the logos of providers already incorporated to ONLYOFFICE by default. And you can use AI models provided by large players like OpenAI, DeepSeek, Grok, Llama, and also you can integrate your local AI model tailored to your preferences. And even more, you can apply different AI models for various tasks with your documents. For example, if you want to generate text using chatbot, translate text, and correct grammar and spelling mistakes with different AI models, you can have a separate AI model for each dedicated task. Another benefit is that everything can be configured on the server side, so your users will just open the document editor and start using AI right away. They don't need to configure anything on their side. Taking functionality into consideration, you can use AI in OnlyOffice to generate text, make text longer or shorter, correct grammar and spelling mistakes, summarize text, get word definitions, and translate text. Also, you can generate visual elements such as data tables, code, and images. Also, you can use chatbot to get information, generate answers to your question, and get precise information, or probably even use it for fun and entertainment. And of course, usability, last but not least. In OnlyOffice, you can use all AI features in the dedicated AI tab. No need to switch back and forth. Now I suggest that we'll speed up the installation process a little bit, and then my colleague Alex will show you how the artificial intelligence works in OnlyOffice. The installation and configuration is pretty straightforward. You go to the plugins tab of OnlyOffice editor, and then you install AI from plugin manager. This is what it looks like, the icon of AI. Then you should enable AI in the background plugins, because as I've already mentioned, it's switched off by default for security reasons. Then you access the appeared AI tab, click Settings, and Edit AI Models. Then you can select different AI models for many tasks like chatbot, text translation, summarization, etc. With these QR codes, you can find our solutions for web version and desktop application. And I will give you a little bit time to scan these QR codes if you're willing to. And then my colleague Alex will show you around AI and the real use case that that you can use AI with OnlyOffice.
Thank you, Vlad. So I'm not going to talk about a lot of different advantages of using AI in your document editing workflow, but I'm just going to show you two specific use cases. So that was a presentation in our desktop editor. Now you see it. So that product is available for any operating system. You can install it on your laptop, you can install it on your desktop, Mac, Linux, even Windows, so anything you want. Actually, what I'm going to show you, we just create a new document, And we have a plugin manager. So that's upmarket, where a lot of different plugins can be installed and used with OnlyOffice. So there are a lot of them. Here you can see that we have a lot of different plugins for OnlyOffice. And again, all of these plugins can be found in our App Store on our website. So we need AI plugin installed just in a few seconds. Now it should be, as Vlad said, running in the background. And we have a new tab, AI. What is AI tab? So here we can set up AI model that will be used with our editor. Right now, I have Ollama running on that machine, and that's a MacBook with M3 Pro Silicon, and so Llama 3.2 with, I think, 3 billion of parameters is running. So just to make sure that everything works with that local model, I'm going to disable my network. So you see, and now we are going to add a new model. Here you can see the list of all available models. I'm going to use Ollama, as I said, so I'm going to use locally hosted model. Feel free to use GPT for all if you'd like, but I would prefer using Ollama. I think it's a little bit faster. And here you can see that there is already Llama 3.2 installed here. So with my local host on that port, this model can be used. So as Vlad said, there are different features depending on your model. So some models allow you to work with images, some only with text. But of course, if you don't want to use your locally hosted model, you can use API key of any service like OpenAI. Here's it. Now you can see that we can select what features will perform this model, asking AI, like chatting with bot, so making summaries for text, translating text, and making analyzing of the text. So now we have disabled internet connection. Hello, FOSSASIA. Just go to context menu and you see that there are a lot of options. These options are supported by that model, and I'm going, for example, to translate the text to Spanish, yeah. Hola FOSSASIA, yeah. So again, everything depends on your model. The model is here on that laptop. I don't need internet access, I can work with that machine. So when I don't know, in the plane or somewhere else where I don't have internet access, I can work with my locally hosted AI model. So that's the first case. And maybe, yeah, no, I will go to the second one. So the second one is a little bit different, but again, that's just use case, how you can use AI in our product. You see that we have the interface. That product is called DocSpace. That product was created by OnlyOffice team. That's a beautiful solution for managing your document, for sharing your documents, for creating different rooms with different access rights. So you can share your document with specific access rights like commenting, form filling, or anything else with your teammates. And now I'm going to show you how AI can be used right here. Just imagine that you have tons of spreadsheets in different directories. So everyone works with spreadsheets. And you need to find some information, and you don't know where this information, in what file it is stored. You can use AI model to find, so don't forget to enable network. You can find the information using ONLYOFFICE product, how that looks like. You can open the chart. That's just example, that's just freshly installed product with just 2 files. With this spreadsheet, here is it. That's pretty old file we have created really in 2016, yeah, but I still use it. I love using that file. So actually the product is really old. So we do know everything about document editing. We are working on that. And that file is really old, yeah. So I would like to show you how you can get the information from that file. I'm chatting with AI assistant right now. So now I'm going to use a beautiful feature supported by Mac operating system. Usually I do not use it. How many medals won China? That's really interesting. So it is connected to some AI model, and it may be a little bit slow right now. You see that we have got an answer. Just check. China, China. Here is it. 70 medals. You see that we do not need to open the document. We can work with these documents without opening them. Just use your chatbot and get the information from the spreadsheets which are stored in your ONLYOFFICE solution. So that's exactly how that works. And these are just 2 use cases how AI can be used when working with your documents. Actually, that's all we wanted to show you, and thank you a lot. We have a booth if you'd like to see anything about ONLYOFFICE. So you're welcome, we can show you, we can arrange a demo with you, so if you need it. Thank you a lot.
Thank you.
Any questions about AI and ONLYOFFICE?
Can you guys work with PDF files?
Yes, we added PDF editor like almost a year ago. It's our youngest editor. We can open, create, and edit PDF files. Yes.
Yes, now you don't need to use expensive products. You can use free ONLYOFFICE desktop to edit your PDF files.
Just now for the voice transcription, what were you using to enter the voice question? Like what AI model was that, or was that local?
Again?
No, you were asking the question about how many medals did China win by using the voice. Like you entered it with your voice, right? Was that a ONLYOFFICE AI transcription, or?
No, that was just built-in operating system, yeah. Of course, we have speech-to-text and text-to-speech in ONLYOFFICE. Yeah, all these plugins can be installed and used if you don't have it in your MacBook, so, or any other laptop, yeah.
Sorry, I have a question. That can I add some Python code, maybe customize about data in my sheet on ONLYOFFICE, in Excel?
Yes, of course. Exactly what's happening under the hood. So we can render the file. We have document builder that is built into the document editing software, and you can fill any field that persists in the document, so you can fill any cell in your spreadsheet. Everything is possible, yes.
Oh, wow, impressive. Thank you.
Any more questions? If not, lunch is available. Don't quote me on that. It should be available. I've not gone out yet, but it should be available. So we'll see you back at 1:30 for the next talk. All right, let's give another hand for the speakers.
Thank you.
Thank you.